My name is Tim Doyle. I'm the body shop director for the Lindsay Automotive Group. I've been in the automotive industry my entire life. I started out in a garage with my father, and I've been in the business ever since. When we built this facility 15 years ago, we looked at our drive lane as the living room that welcomes people into our operation. And that entryway with the Rytec high-speed doors, we feel has elevated that experience. When our customers first pull up now with the Rytec high-speed doors, that impression is just so important to the entire philosophy. Our guests are arriving, they walk into the office or they go into the shop. The greeting of the high-speed doors has been so impressive, and it just really sets the tone for our entire experience that we have with the customer. It's just such a great, easy feeling that you never would have thought that aspect of a door would make such a difference on the feel of customer service, but it really has, and I'm so happy that we installed the doors. We have a lot of maintenance that goes on with this building, and one of them used to be the doors. On a weekly basis, I would get a call, my door is broken, the old doors. And it was one thing that I was sick and tired of dealing with, and since we've installed Rytec, I have not had one single complaint. And not to mention, when it's raining, when it's cold in the winter, I mean, it's really helping the customer be more comfortable in the lane as far as temperature-wise. Not to mention, we save on energy as well, but it's really about the customer, that it gives them a much better experience. Since I've had the Rytec high-speed doors, I have not had one issue, one phone call, one complaint, not anymore.